Alright, if I know who's up ahead, yeah, I know who's up ahead. El Guapo. No, that's not his name. El Gante. El Giant?
What are you selling?
Let's call him El Guapo. I like that one better.
Is that all?
Yep, do not use incinerator grenades because they suck. Use grenades and flashbang because they're the bomb.
Thank you. Is that all? Thank you. What are you
I'm gonna use grenades in battle. I think 2 should bring out Los Plagos and Big El Guapo. Rápido.
¡Usa los músculos!
Usa. I feel that Spanish. Oh, man, that motherfucker come popping up. Wow, there's no point searching the cave since you done caved in that cave. Yeah, just stand there like idiots and get knocked around. Wow, that was a nice throw. Super Agent Leon versus El Guapo Giant. Ugly troll thinking. E-grenade. Ow. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, in the butt. Gross. It's big and it's buggy. Cut that liquid. Okay, now, weren't the dog supposed to jump out by now to help me out? Oh, you know what? Fuck it. Oh! Hell, he didn't just try to do that, fucker. Eat this. Wow, many times Leon should have cut that motherfucker in half. Okay, we know you're dying. No need to get all. No need to be a drama queen about it. All that bullshit. Just die. Yeah, I ain't even watching anyway. Good thing I killed him though. Otherwise, he probably would have destroyed the houses and the goodies within them, which would have made me sad. Yay, more goodies. We got green, 2 greens, a yellow, and a red. Oh, make that 3 green. Go ahead and put red and green. Alright, let's rearrange. Yeah, let's leave those right where they are. Cause I'm pretty sure I'm using the handgun ammo and I'm going to sell the TMP ammo, which suck. And the gun too. The only gun just to keep real is the fucking your little 9mm, your shotgun, your magnum, and your sniper. That's it. No other bullshit. Alright, see that snake in here? I guess not. Alright, since I don't have the sniper, we're going to have to snipe with our handgun. Kind of hard to see. Damn, I missed. Holy shit. I thought I shoot the one up there, but that one guess I don't need my shotgun. 1-on-1. There we go. Come on down here. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about. Oh, and I got sniper ammo. All right. One more. Come on, closer. Yeah. Oh yeah, man. Sure, we even need a sniper rifle. Well, I'm gonna need it later on in the game, but who needs it now? There's no point grabbing a sniper rifle now when you can just kill them easily with shotgun and handgun. Yeah, Leon, why didn't you use a shotgun and blow the door open? But no, we had to run around trying to find a little key to open the door. Well, there's no need to question game logic since there's hardly any in it. Well, the less logic in video games, the better. Makes it more fun that way. Wow, his picture is everywhere. I really don't see the point why it's everywhere. It shouldn't be. I mean, he's not that special. Never was anyway. Just a freak with a little bug in him that's grown to adult size. Let's go in this room with this flat ass hole with her cheap implants and get her out of here.
Ashley!
Don't come!
Hey! Take it easy.
No! Get away!
Calm down. Everything's going to be just fine. My name's Leon. I'm under the President's order to rescue you.
What?
Yeah. I already know how to play. Don't care. I don't like her anyway. I'll leave her to die if I have to. Save my own skin. Thank you. I'll show you this ammo well during the cabin battle. No, I'm not gonna catch you. You get down on your own.
I'll take the girl.
Wow,
Who are
she still
you?
got down.
If you must know, my name is Osmond Sadler, the master of
faggot.
this fine religious
Yet crazy community.
What do you want?
to demonstrate
show
to
the
the whole
power
world
of
our
my
astounding power, of
penis.
course.
Yeah, I ain't want to hear him talk anymore. He sucks. He's gay. Time to pillage. Go outside and kill. For a second there, I thought you were gonna go all plaga on me. Time to go back inside the church and kill little Los Illumigado guys. Los Illuminados, yeah. Had a difficult time getting that word out.